today's class. Let's continue to solve the exercise 7C. Question 2, part A. What is 2/3 of 27? These kind of problems can be solved in two easy steps. Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. So the given number is 27, which is to be divided by 3. So the quotient is 9. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So this 9 is to be multiplied with the numerator 2. The answer is 18. So the final answer is 2/3 of 27 is 18. Question 2, part B. What is 2/5 of 20? Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. So here 20 is the given number. So 20 divided by the denominator 5. The quotient is 4. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So the 4 is to be multiplied with 2. The product is 8. The final answer is 2/5 of 20 is 8. Part E. What is 3/7 of 56? Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. So the given number 56 is to be divided by 7. The quotient is 8. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 8 is to be multiplied by 3. The product is 24. The final answer is 3/7 of 56 is 24. Question 2, part F. What is 2/9 of 63? Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. The given number 63 is to be divided by the denominator 9. The quotient is 7. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 7 is to be multiplied by 2. The answer is 14. The final answer is 2/9 of 63 is 14. Question 3, part A. What is 2/3 of a day in hours? One day is equal to 24 hours. 2/3 of a day is equal to 2/3 of 24 hours. Let's solve the problem step by step. Here, step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. So, the number 24 is to be divided by 3. which is equal to 8. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 8 is to be multiplied by 2. You will be getting the answer as 16. So the final answer is 2/3 of a day is 16 hours. Question 3, Part B. What is 7/12 of an hour in minutes? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 7/12 of an hour is equal to 7/12 of 60 minutes. Let's solve the problem step by step. Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. Here 60 is to be divided by the denominator 12, which is equal to 5. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 5 into 7 is equal to 35. The final answer is 7/12 of 60 minutes is 35 minutes. 3. Part C. What is 5/6 of a dozen? 1 dozen is equal to 12 counts. 5/6 of a dozen is equal to 5/6 of 12 counts. Let's solve this problem step by step. Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. Here 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So the final answer is 5/6 of a dozen is 10 counts. Question 3, Part D. What is half of 1 kilogram in grams? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Half of 1 kilogram is equal to half of 1000 grams. Let's solve the problem step by step. Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. Here 1000 is to be divided by 2. The answer is 500. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 500 is to be multiplied by the numerator 1. The answer is 500. So the final answer is half of 1 kilogram is 500 grams. Question 3, Part F. What is 2/7 of a week in days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. 2/7 of a week is equal to 2/7 of 7 days. Step 1. Divide the number by the denominator. So 7 is to be divided by 7, which is equal to 1. Step 2. Multiply the quotient you get by the numerator. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. The final answer is 2/7 of a week is 2 days.